finally it's here, the 10-inch head unit for my F20 BMW 1 Series. This is the unboxing. As you can see, it contains all the connectors, the harness, the main harness and all that goes to the main unit inside the car, together with the GPS antenna for the navigation. For audio, you have the jack connection, 3.5 mil, and these are the USB connectors for your phone, where you can have put music through it and different other things. And the main part of this unboxing, of course, is the actual head unit, the 10-inch Android 9.0, which looks very good. And today I'll be showing the installation of the head unit inside the car, removing the old head unit and replacing it with this one. For that, we need the following tools. We have here the spanner, the size 10 spanner, the Torx to remove the screws from the audio unit inside the car, and this is to remove the air vent, the plastic tools to remove that in order not to scratch it or anything like that. So here we are again in the car, trying to install the new head unit I got, replacing the original one. First thing you have to do, you have to remove the air vents, which is very easy because it just pops out. So if you're using the prying tools, the heavy duty ones, you go behind the air vents and you find a spot where to push the whole thing out, as this. Here we are. Actually came out very easy. The next step would be to remove the connectors inside the air vent. There's one and two in here. There we go. Now the air vent is free. So these are the only two connectors, one here and one there. Okay, I'll leave this in the back. Next step would be the 4 screws I've already removed. So you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 are from the head unit and these 2 are for the main front unit of the AC and the radio. After you do that, this just pops out as well from its place, like this. Slowly. And there's a connector here which I won't remove. All I will do is just turn the whole unit on this side and leave it there, out of the way. The next step would be to remove the 2 screws from the audio unit. Here and here. Okay, now the CD player should come out. Now, there we are. This is the main connection. It's going to be replaced with the harness we have inside the box. After this is out, we can pull out the head unit. It's like this, and try and get this connector out. Try to get it out more. We have a grip. Here we are. It's disconnected. This is the old head unit. Leave it back. No, that's done. Next will be this main connector here. It just pops out like that. Okay. Now we'll have a look inside the box and see what we need in here. I will not use this connector with the audio and video because I don't need them. The main thing for me is to use it through the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna leave that behind and I'm not gonna connect it. I will connect the main harness. The harness is connected through the speaker. This is the speaker from the head unit, the new one. And in here goes the main connector from the car, like that. Should just works itself in there. We'll have a look if it's okay later on. We'll know if it's connected. Now this goes to the main unit. That's it. Okay. This has to go through the whole area here. It has a connection for the rear camera if you have one. So here we are again with the head unit. I have put all the cables through. Up here, here's the main connector that goes from the head unit to the main audio system of the car. This is from the audio system to the head unit again. In the back here, the small connector This one are the USB I left on the underneath the glove box there, and this is the GPS I've connected here, which goes through the hole again and is placed down here with the 3M tape, double-sided tape. As you can see, here's the cable and it's right next to the air vents there. I'm going to try and place the head unit in its spot, just like that. I'm gonna put both screws there, and that's it. This is the head unit position as it is. I'll get the screwdriver with the Torx and the 2 screws. Number 2. That's it. Here I have connected the air vent back on. Leave it up here for a few seconds so I can place this bolt. So I can place the audio unit back in. Hopefully I can push it back in with all the extra blocks now. Bolt screws from the audio unit. I had to remove the bottom plastic fascia in order to back in. Now, it's back in place. The last 2 screws. That's it. That goes back in like that. Now, that's it. This is the whole installation of the head unit. It looks very nice, and up next I'm going to test it to see if it all works, and hopefully it's going to be alright. Thanks very much.